My name is Binish, right? I train with Bharat. So if you have seen Bharat, पूरा black eyes कभी कुछ ना कुछ चोटेल या neck पे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा cover होगा, so that's not us. That is him doing something. So we are here for a self-defense workshop, right? I'm sure you must have attended some kind of a workshop, self-defense oriented, maybe in college time, school time, or daily life. कुछ ना कुछ at least ऐसा सुना होगा. We train at North End College. Our place is very much nearby in Defense Colony. We have this rule at the studio. I'm very much okay in people coming late. The reason being, आप किसी की मदद कर रहे हो. Could happen, right? From animal to human to anything. You might be helping someone. What if I am so strict with you that आप time पे आओगे, irrespective of what, and you could have helped somebody, life or death, कुछ भी scenario, or maybe as simple as helping someone push the car off, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I don't want you to skip that. Go for it. This is why we do martial arts. This is why we got into this. To be a better human first, rather than the most athletic one. Athletic one can wait. So we're going to start with some physical activity, very simple. I'm just going to hold on. No need to be very strong and show your alpha. Just a regular watch grab or a wrist grab. And Bharat has to move out of this. Let's all try. Right. Can I borrow you, please? सिंपल, राइट? कुछ ऐसा टेक्निकल है भी नहीं, मैं कुछ ऐसा साइंस सिखा भी रहा हूँ, मुझे आता भी नहीं इतना, राइट? थोड़ा सा टाइट पकड़ूंगा, राइट? अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग इज व्हाट? हाथ हटा लेना. सभी को पता है हाथ हटा लेना, बट कैसे हाथ हटाना? शो, कैन यू होल्ड ऑन? स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्ट्रॉन्ग, थोड़ा कम. So he's holding on to me. Now let's assume I'm 10 years old, right? Strength difference, height difference, weight difference. Okay, थोड़ा better. Okay, rather than दूर जाना and rough fight करना, strong. Let's go आगे. Rather than always. And what if he lets me go and a tug of war happens? The silly part of tug of war is that you win and you still fall, right? Everyone hates that part. That's why most of the people lose tug of war, again my opinion. लोग क्यों छोड़ देते हैं यार? जीतने में ना गिरना पड़ेगा. So strong. Rather than दूर जाना, let's go past में. How is it working? If I have to go थोड़ा सा और technical. And his elbow gets strong जितना मैं pull करके लाऊंगा, and this becomes a little tough fight. Now imagine him punching me, slapping me just because I'm not saying yes to a coffee. The moment that I walk in, look at the elbow. Jiu-jitsu, Ju means gentle and Jitsu means the way of doing, a gentle. Right? So this is why if you see, we don't need to strike someone, you don't need to be violent just to teach somebody a lesson. There are always legal ways to do that. Right? Let's rely on that. But जब तक physical की बात आ रही है, you don't need to go violent. Till the time the situation demands that. If I'm with my kid, and if I see somebody's trying to abduct or kidnap my kid, this is the life or death scenario for me. I would go crazy. That's where we need that high level of violence. You guys can partner up together. हाथ पकड़ लीजिए मेरा, आप मेरा हाथ पकड़ लीजिए. सिर्फ बाल बनाना है. और दूसरे वे में अगर मुझे उसको थोड़ा सा और अग्रेसिव करना है, बाय अग्रेसिव आई मीन इफ द सिचुएशन डिमांड्स, हिट एंड रन, आई वोंट से दैट्स अ राइट टर्म, बट कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन है, राइट? सो बाल बनाना becomes elbow. We can always translate our skills into different situations जहाँ पे जैसी डिमांड है, राइट? जो जिस इंटेंसिटी से पकड़ रहा है और जिस इंटेंट के साथ पकड़ रहा है, आई कैन वर्क. जब तक कॉफ़ी है चल भाई पकड़ते रहना, स्विच करते रहना. कब तक करेंगे? एंड नाउ ही ऑलरेडी नोज, ही इज ऑल्सो अ स्किल्ड पर्सन, राइट? सो देयर हैज टू बी सम स्टॉप. आज नहीं यार, it's that simple. Let's partner up. Okay, we're gonna hold on. One is that I can walk away, other one is I can walk towards baal banana. But then there has to be some end to the conversation. I move to this side and I just keep the something in check. Depends on क्या relation है उसके हिसाब से. That I'm just keeping a check.
If it is a violent situation, अगर आप पास आ रहे हो, the person can grab your other hand.
This is why I'm moving away. And also, if it's a violent situation, I'm already to this side. See, I train para forces, I train Navy SEALs. We had so many people from Navy SEALs training with us. We have forces, like Japanese forces officials. The things that I teach there, if I start, is such a waste. You guys don't have those tools. Are you carrying any knife? Are you carrying any weapon throughout? We don't have access to this. What access do we have? We have access to phone, we have access to our keychains or car keys, kuch na kuch, pen, iPads, kuch na kuch. So we have to rely on those. Okay, let's discuss this first with the theory and then with more physicality. Okay. Everyone has done geometry, so we know a shape of triangle, right? Attacker, victim, I'm just calling myself victim, or person A, person B, as you say. Attacker, one side of the triangle, victim, other side of the triangle, and the base. The base is the opportunity. Victim pass कर रहा है, shady जगह से पूरी road खाली है. Technically I did wrong. और victim pass कर रहा है, I have two routes. Well lit place, थोड़ा सा long route था, और a shortcut shady place. What should I be doing? Taking a long cut, right? I have to be aware कि वहाँ क्या हो रहा है. वहाँ पे कोई snatch situation हो सकती है, वहाँ blade हो सकता है या कुछ भी हो सकता है. I'll still be going elbow in, but उसके साथ साथ can be your front foot, can be your back foot. If you have distance, अगर मैं angle पे हूँ, front foot, this is what is happening. सीधा पैर, no bending, सीधा पैर, direct. And then you fold it back. Would you keep your arm like this? That's it. Just a representation कि हम कहाँ hit कर रहे हैं, right? You know what's happening. Either you panic a lot, बिल्कुल काम नहीं होगा, और take a breather, work, focus, and जितना हो रहा है पहले उतना तो complete करें. So learning how to be calm is what you gain out of the self-defense और martial arts वाला field से. This is why the journey is never ending. There is no end to it. आप 3 महीना करो, 6 महीना करो, 10 साल करो. So it's a journey जितना आप उसको ले जाना चाहो. Imagine, let's talk about ground situation, right? Imagine I've been pinned on the ground. Right? I'll just show क्या हो रहा है. I've been pinned on the ground and somebody is sitting on top. That guy is 130 kgs, 6'6", 6'7", and they are punching me right and left. Do you think इससे बुरा लाइफ में कुछ हो सकता है? Do you think वो डेडलाइन इससे बुरी हो सकती है? So once you learn how to escape such scenarios, आपको वो डेडलाइन बहुत छोटी लगेगी. We're going to cover this scenario, right? The term is not that great, but we call it rape defense. Right? Person is checking my arms, pin my arms. I can't run. I can't get up. There is no way that I can get up. Now, person being stronger than me, he's taller than me, heavier than me, stronger than me, and he has a best friend in his favor, gravity. Even if I'm Mike Tyson, हाथ छोड़ना एक बार, ऊपर रखो हाथ.
Even if I'm Mike Tyson and this is his face level, and this is my best punch after 15 years. Best punch after 15 years because I'm against the gravity. At the same time, 2 years into training and he does not even train boxing, just slap the mat. Or tej. Can be life threatening. I can't get up. पैर तो है ही नहीं. What would I be doing?
Grab his arms and move it to your shoulder. The other way.
He will pummel again. We call it pummeling. Where is the end? Where is my escape to safety? Kab tak? And remember, one bullet. I do this, he gets it. I do this, he gets it. Next time he's gonna do a headbutt. और कुछ ना कुछ उठाएगा अगर कुछ हुआ. And I'm done. What would you do now? Treat it as a weapon, like a sniper. पीछे पीछे जाना, कहीं पे भी मूव करना. जब तक पैर सामने है, I can't kick. पैर पीछे है और आगे आ जाओ. Everyone can relate. पैर पीछे है, how do I kick? These are not knockout strikes. These are only making him more and more frustrated with every strike that I do. And he's going to get more and more aggressive. I don't want him to escape. So whatever I want to do, he shouldn't be able to find his way back. He shouldn't move out or kuch weapon leke aaye and do this. I'm going to close this. %100%. Show up and pass on the numbers to Bharat. They can pass it on to you, or the HR can pass on. Any doubt you can WhatsApp. We can discuss that, or maybe I can put up a video for everyone to go for on